Hiya, so this is just a quick update video of what I've been doing lately. I have filmed some tutorials, but I can't edit them yet because I need a new laptop. So these things I'm showing you have got nothing to do with those tutorials. They're just some things I'm going to be making just to give you a little update. So I've got these miniature sketch pads that I've made. I have got tutorials of making miniature ones. I've just made like quite a few of them. I will show you the full set of each of the things I'm showing you in another video, because otherwise this video would just be really long and I'd rather just put out a few shorter ones. So this is it. These ones are suitable for watercolour, acrylic, pencils, pretty much anything. It's watercolour paper, but you can use them for other stuff as well. I just found watercolour paper is best for a lot of different mediums, whereas some other papers are good for one thing and not for another, but that one seems to be a really good all-round one. And it's the same for these ones. These ones are A8 size, these ones are A9. These are so tiny and they're so cute. Also made a black paper one, so you have to get special, make sure your things will work on black paper if you use one of these ones. I did make an even smaller one. I don't know what size this is. It's just a slightly smaller than size 8, I think. No, it is actually a size 8 one. I thought it was slightly smaller. And this is just like a really rough one. I used duct tape for the cover. This one I've started on already. So I've done a couple of paintings in there, acrylic ones, and that's all I've done for there so far. Oh, this was the smaller one, because I've done a little square one. Haven't started on that one yet though. So these are my two personal ones that I'm keeping and going to be using. I've also made some miniature paintings using some canvases from Poundland. They were in another video I've got, where I got sent like some art supplies, new art supplies what Poundland has. These are the canvas magnets. So I've made a few of these, and I like this one. I like the background for this one. It came out okay. And this one, which I've used like iridescent and metallic-y kind of paint for the background in it. So these are just the little canvases, and you can get little easels to match them. I also started painting on 2p's. I got into like painting really small paintings, and this is actually a 2p piece, which I just painted on the back. And I used clear embossing powder to coat it as well, so it's a bit shiny and it's a bit more durable than just leaving it. I've also been making some dream catchers with wood slicers in the middle. These are just natural wood slicers that, again, I've painted on using acrylic paint. I just thought I made a nifty little centerpiece for a dream catcher. I've also been making some miniature art sets. I've got 3 at the moment. Did have 4. And they just have different things in them depending on the art set. Again, I'll do a full video of all 3 of them, unless I've made more by then. This one comes with a A8 sketch pad. All different graded pencils. I think they range from, what was it? 6H to 6B. In case these are small, not everyone can, I know it, not everyone can use like small pencils. So I add in a pencil extender, where you just like kind of loosen the top, pop your pencil in, tighten it back up, and then that like extends the pencil. And that means you can actually use these for a lot longer. You can use them to like get like really small, so it saves wasting pencils. Then there's the razor and pencil sharpener. So pretty much everything you need to put in your bag and go out and create some art. And I've got some watercolour ones and another sketch one as well. I'd like to show you more detail later. So that's it, I think, from all that. Like I say, there is tutorials coming up. I have filmed a few, just can't edit them, so bear with me. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in my next update. Thanks for watching. Bye.